So today in class we talked about how to use the distributive property to factor numbers. Now remember, we talked about the fact that eventually we're going to get to the point where with algebra we're going to have some letters and numbers in here, and this is just our training wheels lesson. We're learning how to do it before it gets tricky. So what we wanted to do in our first step is to find our greatest common factor. So I do my cake method for 84 and 36. First thing I see right away is 4. So we'll do 8 divided by 4 is 2, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and then I know right off the top of my head that 4 times 9 equals 36. Now I look at 21 and 9, and I remember that they have a common factor of 3. So 21 divided by 3 is 7, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. I look to see if they have anything else in common. They don't. So I know that my greatest common factor is the product of the numbers on the side. So we're going to do 4 times 3 equals 12. So my greatest common factor is 12. So I'm going to take 84 plus 36, and I'm going to rewrite them using the greatest common factor. So I'm going to have here 12 times, and remember, I don't have to look anywhere. It's going to be 12 times 7, because that's the number at the bottom here. And we're still going to be adding, and I'm going to take 836 and rewrite it with 12 times, and that would be 3 to get 36. And then I'm going to pull that 12 out. I'm going to factor it out, and I'm going to have then 7 plus 3. My next step is to solve. So I'm going to keep the 12, and I'm going to do 7 plus 3 is 10. And then we all know that 12 times 10 is 120. So that's the way that we use the distributive property to pull out the greatest common factor and find the answer. Remember, we said we could check it. And we can check our work by actually adding 84 plus 36. 4 plus 6 is 10, 8 and 3 is 11, plus 1 is 12. This answer checks with this answer, so we did our distributive property correctly. And that's all there is to using the distributive property.